Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on trimming and reordering clips on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up TikTok and press the plus at the bottom of the page to begin recording as you normally would. Now record your video, or tap upload to select a clip from your gallery. Tap the tick at the bottom right of the screen when you are happy with your recording. Then tap Edit at the top right of the screen to reorder the clips. Tap a clip to select it. You can hold and drag the edges in and out to trim the clip. To reorder the clips, hold down on the clip you would like to move, and then drag it to the desired location. You can also add a transition in between your clips if you like, by tapping the transition icon in between your clip, and then choosing a transition. Tap Save in the top right when your clips are trimmed and ordered to your liking. Now just post the video as you normally would. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more TikTok tips and tricks.